Hello and welcome to Teleschool. Now, Teleschool helps increase knowledge and also improve the learning growth of viewers through educational and innovative segments with various academic topics that are good for primary and secondary education. On English Science, our topic is homonyms, and on academics today we are learning about farm animals. I am Ijoma Idikajima and I'll be your host for today. Remember to follow us on social media handles at Teens Global. Go to our Instagram channel and YouTube channel. Visit our website www.teensglobal.org. Alright, so it's time to learn with Teens Global. English Science, today we are looking at homonyms. These are words that sound alike but have different spellings and word meanings. Let's see some examples. 8 and 8. I ate the bread. We have 8 cups. B and B. I will be there. The bee stings. Sell and sell. The prison cell. I sell bags. Flour and flour. I need some flour to bake. Clean the floor. 1 and 1. Jane is number 1. I won the game. C and C. The sea is blue. I can see the pitch. There and there. There is a book on the table. Their voices can be heard. Wood or wood. Wood and wood. Would you visit Abuja? The wood is brown. I and I. He has one eye. I can see clearly. Buy and buy. Buy for now. Buy 2 pairs of shoes. 2 and 2. They went to the zoo. There are 2 girls at the zoo. I met the girls too. Meat and meat. James loves to eat meat. Peter wants to meet with Anne. Son and son. My mother has a son. The sun is yellow in color. High and high. Hi, Kelvin. The building is high. Higher and higher. Let's climb higher. We need to hire a car. Pitch and pitch. The football pitch is big. The color is peach. Hole and hole. The whole place is big. The hole is deep. New and new. BC knew the truth. The dress is new. This is the English sense. Looking at farm animals. What are farm animals? These are animals on the farm that are used for agricultural purposes. Examples are goats, sheep, cattle, oxen, camels, horses, donkeys, pigs, chickens, turkey, ducks, and geese. Some of these animals are also grouped as micro livestock, and they include rabbits, cane rats, and guinea pigs. Farm animals could be used for meat production, milk production. They also produce eggs. They can also serve as companions and for income generation. We also have the domestic animals, and those are animals dependent on human support. They are kept by humans as a pet, as a work animal, or even a food source, such as cats, dog, chicken, and sometimes horses. We have classes of farm animals. Farm animals can be grouped based on their digestive system. These classes include monogastric ruminants and pseudo-ruminant animals. Monogastric animals have simple single-chambered stomach. Examples of these animals are all poultry species: pigs, horses, donkey, rabbits, cane rats, and guinea pigs. We also have the ruminant animals. These are animals that have a 4-chambered complex stomach. Examples of the ruminants are goats, sheep, cattle, and buffaloes. And finally, the pseudo-ruminant animals have a 3-chambered stomach. Camel is an example of a pseudo-ruminant animal. Well, this is all we have for academics today. It's been an exciting time learning about homonyms and farm animals. Now remember to send in your own examples to us. Subscribe to our Instagram, TV, and YouTube channel at Teens Global. I am Ijoma Idika Chima. See you same time next week. Bye for now.